Sorry, just watch my video, PayPhone cover coming. Here we go.